Hi, I'm Dr. Greeshma Thomas, consulting physician in VCC Ayurveda. So, wishing you all a very happy Women's Day. We all women are multitaskers. We manage our household work, workplace work, and whatnot in that 24 hours of time, which is the same for men also. While multitasking, let's not forget about ourselves. So, on this Women's Day, I would urge all the women who are listening to me, please do not ignore your health, be it physical or mental. Because if you are healthy and happy, only then your family will be healthy and happy. For health, it must be me first, rest all can wait. I know this is a little difficult to practice, but still, let's prioritize ourselves. Many a times, because of some family obligations, functions, studies, and whatnot, we tend to forget ourselves. So, for a healthy body and mind, three things are very important. First is healthy eating habits, which includes good quality of food and in proper time. Then second is regular exercise or workout. Third is getting proper amount of sleep, both quantitative and qualitative. Another very important thing is to have a healthy mind. As we all know, as women, we tend to pent up all our worries and stress, which leads to various problems like depression, anxiety. The very opposite of depression is expression, and this is the best way to be true selves. Therefore, expressing one's concern to one's family or close friend, husband, anybody, whomever we are comfortable with, is very important. Now, moving on to the three most important herbs good for the women. First is Amla or gooseberry. So, in Ayurveda, some of the synonyms for Amla is Dhatri, which means women, Vayastha, which means to impart longevity or to increase Ayu, then Vrishya, that is aphrodisiac, Amrit, that is divine elixir. Hence, it is the best among rejuvenator herbs, best immunomodulator, best antioxidant, good for your hair and skin, and good for diabetes, and it helps in decreasing the cholesterol level. It is good for healing fracture. It is Tridoshahara, which means it brings back Vata, Pitta and Kapha to normalcy. So it is also beneficial for the eyes and throat. It is good for increasing HB, rich in fiber, vitamin C and tannin. So you can have Amla daily in form of pickle, murabba, Amla candy, chutney or even raw. Amla is also a very good hair tonic. So you can use it as a hair mask. So the pulp of gooseberry should be taken, a handful of. Then add 2 teaspoons of methi seeds, 10 grams of shikakai powder and quantity sufficient green gram powder. Mix all this and apply it as paste on your hair. After oiling, this hair mask should be applied and kept for 20 minutes, after which hair should be washed. So this is very beneficial for excessive hair fall, weak hair roots, premature graying of hair, for dry and rough hair. So the second herb which I would introduce is kumari or aloe vera. So it is widely found in almost every home. So it is very useful, like as it reduces kapha and vata. It is good for your eyes, liver, spleen, almost every organ. It is very good for PCOD. So if you are suffering from scanty menstruation or fallopian tube blockage, then take a 6 centimeter long, this much long leaf, wash it thoroughly and slice it from between, and the scoop of the gel should be taken. Add little water, 2 pinch of turmeric and 1 pinch of salt. Blend it in a mixer grinder and drink this mixture on empty stomach for 5 days just before your periods starting. That is the first day of your periods to the 5th day of your periods. It is also very good for fertility. So also aloe vera juice can be mixed with beeswax or Vaseline, and it can be used as an ointment for foot crack, for any cut or burn. And the third important drug is til. So very good for women before delivery, after delivery, during menopause. It is equally good for men and women. It helps in absorption of calcium, because lack of calcium in women it causes bone issues like osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, hair fall, brittle nails, etc. So this herb improves in metabolism, hence helps in regulating the body weight. It strengthens muscles, bones, and it is also anti-aging and rejuvenating. It is also good for lactating mothers. Out of all the sesame, the black variety is considered to be best according to Ayurveda, and almost 40% of our formulation contain sesame. So it is also good for skin and hair. So til laddu can be consumed days before the periods in case of scanty menstruation. So it also helps in increasing HB level. So 1 teaspoon of til should be soaked in water for overnight. So next day take that and strain it and add 1 teaspoon jaggery to it. Make a paste and consume it in case of amenorrhea due to PCOD. For 5 days you should continue. So if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned until I come back with another health topic.